Okay, I received several comments at the previous video. Literary, anyways, I am remaking the YouTube tier list, but the script series the story I made. There, now let's get started. First we have B170. Like I said, he is related to the others, so we put him to golden tier. Next up we have the man itself, Gun, cool channel, putting him to God tier, no question rest. Last but not least, we have Steve. He is guy the good lad. He also made a series about something I guess. Okay, look, I have not watched his channel a while. I have bad memory that yell at me. And yes, that's all. I did not have time to edit the others. Okay, we said everyone who is watching this, I can't do any more YouTube ratings. Plus, I am making something very big for 100 subscribers special and in pretty much the network 20 subscribers less away. So please, I probably might do another one next time. Anyway, see ya guys.